Hello, I'm Franck Brizé, Head of Division Conference Management at K.I.T Group. We charge a higher registration fee to physical attendees to reflect the increased costs of the physical meeting. Creating the ideal conditions for face-to-face interaction has a price. The venue's rental fee and indirect costs such as catering, social events, hospitality management and faculty accommodation must be, at least partly, covered by the on-site registration fee. Physical delegates experience the benefits of a unique environment designed to be more favorable to professional networking, so they should absorb those costs. Finding the proper ratio between the face-to-face registration fee and those participating virtually is crucial. It is not fair to charge the same price for both physical and virtual delegates. However, it is out of the question to deliver digital content for free. Content has value. There is no simple way to answer the ratio problem. The price difference can vary between a third of the price to half of the price or even more. Finding a fair ratio depends on many things, such as the face-to-face participation fee, expected on-site participation, costs covered by the sponsorship, and the added value offered to the on-site delegates. Once we have a clear idea of the cost and budget, finding a fair registration fee ratio for virtual versus physical delegates is possible.